Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add overlay in CapCut PC. So to do this, you of course want to import the videos you want to overlay together, and after that you want to drag the one here. Let's make it a little bit shorter. And now to overlay that second video, first of all you need to drag it right here, for example, or to the front, and let's make it a little bit shorter too. Now to overlay, all you have to do is actually select the video you want to overlay and drag it to the top. Now when it's on here, let's make it the same length. Now as you can see, it's already overlaid because this video is different sizing than another one, but you can actually scale it however you like. So for example, let's make it the same size, and now as you can see, it's still overlaid. And yeah guys, that's how you do this. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.